This video explains how to fit a tilt and turn handle to a standard UPVC tilt and turn window. Make sure the window is closed with the spanulets engaged. Push the handle into position on the window with the lever in the locked position. Rotate the lever to a 90-degree position. Insert the screws through the base plate to hold the handle in position. Screw the screws through the spanulet. Rotate the lever to check that the tilt and turn mechanism is working correctly. Return the lever to a 90-degree position and use the cover caps to cover the screw holes on the base plate. To remove a handle from a tilt and turn window, follow the next 3 easy steps. Carefully remove the cover caps, ensuring not to damage or scratch the base plate. Remove the 2 screws that hold the handle in place. Pull the window handle away from the window using the lever. The spindle will be removed from the spanulet as you do this.